Hi, I'm Craig, and today I'm going to talk about verb conjugations in the present tense. So, verb conjugations in English are very easy. There are not many conjugations, only a few. The main thing you need to do is use pronouns: I, he, she, we, it, they in front of the conjugated verb. So they all follow a rule. They follow the same rule, same pattern, with one or two exceptions, but I will explain those as well. A few verbs here. The infinitive is to want. So, to want. To conjugate for I, they, or we. So that is I, they, all of them, or we, me and a friend. It's the same word. Want. Want. To want. I want. They want. We want. For he, she, and it, you add an S at the end. He wants, she wants, it wants. So, I want something to eat. Yeah. He wants to go to the park. She wants to go to work. And to look, to see. Yeah. To look. It's the same for I, they, and we. I look. They look. We look. He, she, and it, you add an S. He looks. She looks. It looks. I look out of the window. He looks for his keys. She looks for the pen. To use. I use. They use. We use. He, she, and it uses. You add an S, and it's the same for all regular verbs. Now, you may have noticed at the bottom, okay, try. It is not just an S that gets added. The Y changes to IE, and then you add an S. Okay. If you have seen my video about plurals, this is the same rule with verbs. I try, he tries, with IES. If the letter before the Y is a consonant, so in this case it's an R, which is a consonant, then it changes to IE. If the letter before the Y is a vowel, for example, play, so the verb to play, I play, they play, we play. But if it's a vowel, like an A, E, I, O, or U, then you simply add an S. He plays, she plays, it plays. But if it's a consonant, you change to IE, S. And this is how we use regular verbs in English. Any regular verb has this same pattern. But how do you identify if a verb is regular or irregular. You can do that with a lot of exposure to the language, with a lot of input. Listen and read a lot, and you will see these words again and again. So I hope this has helped with the regular verbs, regular verb conjugations. If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, and please share this video with your family and friends if they would like to learn English. And if you'd like a private English lesson, then please click on the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.